This dishwasher provides a silverware basket to provide optimal spacing and best cleaning performance. Load knives down, forks up, and alternate spoons for best cleaning results. Equipped with sliding bowl and fold-down tines, the sliding bowl tines allow you to easily load bowls of multiple sizes. Fold-down tines allow you to optimize the spacing in the rack. Fold-down tines might be in the lower rack, the second-level rack, and/or the third-level rack, depending on your model. When loading this dishwasher, you have more capacity on the third-level rack to fit more dishware. Place plastic items, small plates, and bowls in the upper dish racks and use adjusters for tall items.